In Bengaluru on Wednesday, a sharp exchange broke out between the ruling Congress and the opposition BJP over Urdu language advertisements related to the Karnataka government's new Kusuma Sanjeevani program. The advertisements, published in Urdu newspapers, provided information about preventive treatment for hemophilia patients and a free ambulance service. The BJP termed the advertisements anti-Kannada and accused the government of indulging in appeasement politics. Posting on social media platform X, the party alleged that the Kannada language was being ignored for the sake of appeasement. The BJP questioned Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, asking whether Kannada or Urdu was the administrative language of Karnataka. The BJP also targeted Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao, saying he could speak Urdu at home if he wished, but Kannada was the state's administrative language. The remark was also linked to the religion of the Health Minister's wife, Tabassum. Responding to the controversy, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said in Mangaluru that when advertisements were issued, it is necessary to place them in Urdu newspapers as well, so that information reaches Urdu reading citizens. Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao strongly criticized the BJP, saying the party had failed to understand the difference between an advertisement and an official government invitation. He clarified that no official invitation has been issued in Urdu. Instead, the advertisements were a part of a routine administrative process aimed at conveying information to the relevant readership. Rao also cited Urdu advertisements published during previous BJP government and questioned the party's stance, noting that such advertisements were released even when B.S. Yediyurappa and Baswaraj Bommai were chief ministers. He said that if the BJP's argument were accepted, then BJP leaders of that period would also fall under the same accusation. In a sarcastic closing remark, Dinesh Gundu Rao invited BJP leaders to visit his home, saying that since the party was so interested in the language spoken there, he would be happy to host them.